here is a problem. See here in this problem, PQR are partners in a firm. Their drawings will be as follows. P withdraws rupees 2500 at the beginning of each month. Q withdraws rupees 3000 at the end of each month. R withdraws rupees 2000 at the middle of each month. Calculate interest on drawing of the partners when the rate of interest is 8% per annum for the year 31st/3/2018. For the year 31st/3/2018. Here they have given 3 partners' name, and one partner will withdraw money at the beginning of each month. One more partner will withdraw money at the end of each month, and one more partner will withdraw money at the middle of each month. And they have given 8% per annum. That means rate of interest will be 8%. And this is for the year ending 31st/3/2018. That means you need to calculate interest on drawing for one complete year. If they have given the date, then you need to just consider the year ending date. If they have given 30th/9/2018 means need to calculate for half year. 31st/3/2018 means need to calculate for one complete year. If they have given not the date, just they have given 8% per annum for one complete year means need to calculate for 1 year. If they have given 8% for half year means then you need to calculate for 6 months. Okay, so this is your problem. They'll give you like this. What you need to do is, first you need to find out the interest on drawing of each partner step by step. Like first we will do one partner's interest on drawing, then we will go for the next and last one. Okay, calculation first thing. That's why I am telling you for doing all the problem. See, for the previous problems and all, you are doing one table. You are preparing one table, and in that you need to do. But here no need of preparing table. Just you need to find out first total drawing. Then you need to find out average period. Then rate of interest. Then 1/12. Write the formula, apply the values, get the values, and finally you can write the interest on drawing amount. That is it. But this part will be this part you need to remember it properly. Then only you can do this problem correctly. Okay. But this is one of the easiest compared to the product and direct. This is the easiest one. So first we will find out now calculation of interest on drawing of P. First write the heading, calculation of interest on drawing of P. Now interest on drawing is equal to total drawing. What is the total drawing? First you need to find out. After writing this, interest on drawing is equal to total drawing into average period into rate of interest into 1/12. First thing in the formula, what we need to find out now? Total drawing. So total drawing is equal to what? I gave you the formula. Tell me that. Now it is total drawing is equal to amount of drawing into, now whether it is 12 months or 6 months. They have asked for which date? 31st/3. When they ask for 31st/3, then months will be how much? 12. Either if it is for half, then it will come 6. This is for one complete year. That's why we are taking it as 12. Okay. Now amount of drawing, how much for the first person? It is 2500. So 2500 into, here is the amount, 2500 into 12. How much it will come? It will come 30,000. It will come 30,000. Next, total drawing. Next will be average period. Next you need to find out average period. What is the average period formula? Longest outstanding month plus shortest outstanding month divided by 2 is equal to divided by 2. Longest outstanding month plus shortest outstanding month divided by 2. This is when they asked, this is at the beginning. Beginning means longest will be, check your chart. Which is the longest one now? Check the chart. For one complete year doing. So this is beginning of each month. Beginning of each month means it will come how much? 12 plus 1 by 2. Write directly 12 plus 1 by 2. It will come how much? 13 by 2. Or else you can consider it as 6.5. 6.5. See here, you got the total drawing now. Average period now. Then rate of interest is given there. Next 1 by 12. Now apply all the value to calculate which one? Interest on drawing. Okay. Amount, the total drawing will be how much? Total drawing you have calculated now how much it is? 30,000. So write here 30,000 into, next is average period. Average period is how much? Either you can take 13 by 2 or you can take 6.5. I will take 6.5. 6.5 into rate of interest. Rate of interest is given in the problem, it is 8%. How much percent? They have given 8% here. So take that 8 by 100 into, formula says 1 by 12. Now take your calculator and do it in the calculator. 30,000 into 6.5 into 8 by 100 into 1 by 12. What is the answer you are getting? Write it here. That is the interest on drawing of P. That is interest on drawing of P. Once again I will explain. First write down the formula. To write a formula only you will get 1 complete mark. That's why write the formula. Total drawing into average period into rate of interest into 1 by 12. Next you need to write total drawing. Total drawing, you have to find out total drawing. Amount of drawing into 12. Amount of drawing is given in the problem, it is 2,500 into, this is for 1 year. That's why you need to write here as 12 months. 2,500 into 12. You will get how much? 30,000. Okay. When it is 30,000, next will be average period. Average period, see this is for your reference. No need to do it this one in your when you are solving the problem. Just I kept this one here because it is easy for you to go through this and you can do this. When it is a beginning means it should come in your mind that it will be 12 plus 1 divided by 2. It will come 6.5. After getting this, then again see for this 1 mark, for this 1 mark, 2 mark, again to write this 3 mark, and then this is for 4th and this is 5th, and to write a answer you will get 6 complete mark. Now take your calculator, 30,000 into 6.5 into 8 by 100 into 1 by 12 and write the answer. So this is calculation of interest on drawing under shortcut method. I will not write the answer, you need to do and write the answer in your notebook. Few notes is remaining regarding interest on drawing, that I will give you today. The rest of the notes was complete. After giving interest on drawing notes, then you need to do the problems what I have done in the video and copy those problems to your notebook. First 2 method I already gave, that is which one? Direct method and product method. That problems it should be in your notebook, and whatever I have given homework, that will be in your homework book only. After that write this and solve this problem in your notebook. So when I am doing this problem in the video, you can just write down in your rough book. Some they complain that they have the problem is like when I am writing it is not there was no such clarity in writing the problem. For that what you can do is, just while I am reading the problem, make a pause and note down the problem in your rough book and later copy the same to your notebook. So understood this? This is the calculation of interest on drawing of P. Okay. Now let us do the next person. Who is the next person? Next partner is Q. So first thing, you need to write the heading. Calculation of interest on drawing of Q. After writing Q, again formula you need to write interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is equal to total drawing into average period into rate of interest into 1 by 12. When they will give like this, it is for one complete year. That's why you need to write total drawing first. Find out total drawing, amount of drawing into 12, that is 2500. It is not 2500 now. What is the amount of drawing here of Q? It is 3000. How much? 3000. So here it will come 3000 into 12. So it will come how much? It will come 36,000. How much? 36,000. Now average period. Average period is equal to longest outstanding month plus shortest outstanding month divided by 2. What is the case now? Here Q withdraws at the end of each month. When it is at the end of each month, then it will come how much? Longest will be 11, shortest will be 0 divided by 2. So write down here 11 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to how much it will come? 11 by 2 is equal to 5.5. How much it is? 5.5. This is the answer. So 5.5 will be the answer. Now, when it is 5.5, what is the next step? Write the values for the formula. Total drawing. Total drawing is how much? Here it is 36,000. Take that 36,000 into average period. You got now how much? 5.5 into rate of interest will be same for the previous problem also and for this also, because this is under one problem only. A, B and C, they have given 3 different parts. So rate of interest will be same for all the partners, that is 8 by 100 into 1 by 12. 1 by 12. So do it in your calculator. 36,000 into 5.5 into 8 by 100 into 1 by 12. What is the answer you will get? That you write it here. What is the answer you will write? Write it here. That is interest on drawing. 1 mark for writing the formula, 2 marks for getting total drawing, 3 marks for writing average period formula, next 4th for this, 5th for this and 6th for writing the answer. So here ends the interest on drawing of partner Q. Next, after Q, R. Next partner is now R. Note down in your rough book and later you can copy the same thing to your notes. Okay. Now, after this, we need to calculate interest on drawing for whom now? Interest on drawing for R. Okay. So, first step, writing the formula. Write interest on drawing is equal to total drawing into average period into rate of interest into 1 by 12. Into 1 by 12. Now, total drawing. Total drawing will be amount of drawing into 12. Why? Because it is 12. Why? Because it is for one complete year. Now, amount will change. What is R? R's drawing? It is 2000. How much? 2000 into 12. It will come how much? 24. It will come 24,000. Now, when it is 24,000, next step, after getting the total drawing, next step is average period. Average period is equal to longest outstanding month plus shortest outstanding month divided by 2. Now, check your table. What is the table says? Middle of each month for one complete year means longest will be 11.5, shortest will be 0.5 divided by 2. So, it will come 11.5 plus 0.5 divided by 2. It will come how much? It will come 6 by 2, or else you can consider as 6. This will come 12, 11.5 plus 12, it will come 12. 12 by 2, that means it will come 6. How much? 6. Now, apply the value. Total drawing, this time for R, it is 24,000 into average period 6 into 8 by 100 into 1 by 12. After doing this in your calculator, you will get the answer. How much you will get? That you write down here. That is the amount of interest on drawing of R. Okay. Now, let us do a bit change in the problem now. This is you have calculated for one complete year. Now, let us change a bit. Now, we will make it for half year. What we will do? Half year. Instead of 31st 3, make a note in this. Make a note of this. Write it. Write the whole problem once again and change the date. And that is for 30th 9 2018. 30th 9 2018 means this will be for now half year. This will be for half year. How we will calculate now? Okay. Same cases again. Name will be same, or you can change the name. Let us see. First problem we have taken it as PQR. Now in the second problem we will take it as X, Y and Z. Okay, X, Y and Z. Here I will write X withdraw. Now Y withdraws. Now Z withdraws. Amount will be same. Rate of interest. Let us rate of interest also same. This is the second problem. First problem I solved you for one complete year, and this is for only half year. Okay. Now, first step, what you need to do? You need to write here partner's name. Calculation of interest on drawing of X. Correct. After writing X, formula you need to write interest on drawing is equal to total drawing into average period into rate of interest into 1 by 12. Now, total drawing of whom now? X. Amount of drawing into now, it is not 12. Why? Because we are not calculating it for one complete year. Instead of that, we are calculating it for half year. So, it will come here 6. Okay. Now, amount of drawing will be, total amount of drawing will be, X is drawing how much? 2,500 into 6. It will come how much? It will come now 15,000. So total drawing will come 15,000. Now average period. Average period will be longest outstanding month plus shortest outstanding month. Now which part of the chart you need to consider? This or this? We need to consider for second part. What is that second part? That is half year. Half year. The case is which one? He withdraws money at the beginning of each year. Beginning of each year means, beginning of each month. Each month means how much it will come? 6 plus 1. So, longest will be 6, shortest will be 1. It will divided by 2, it will come 7 by 2, and it is 3.5. How much it will come? 3.5. Now, formula, apply the values now. What is the value? Here, total drawing is how much? 15,000. Okay, 15,000 into how much? 3.5. Average period is 3.5. Rate of interest is same 8% into 1 by 12. Into 1 by 12. Do it in your calculator and find out the answer and write here. This is when you will get that answer. That answer is related to whom? X. You calculated X's interest on drawing. Okay. Now, let us see the second part. Next, B. What is given in the problem? Y withdraws rupees 3,000 at the end of each month. At the end of each month. End of each month now. So now partner Y. Formula total drawing into average period into rate of interest into 1 by 12. Total drawing is equal to amount of drawing into 6. It is not 12 because we are calculating it for half year. Okay. So now amount of drawing. How much he withdraws? He withdraws 3000 rupees. So 3000 into 6. How much it will come? 18,000. It will come 18,000. Next one, average period. Longest outstanding month plus shortest outstanding month divided by 2. What your table says? Divided by 2. And you are calculating it for how many months? You are calculating it for 6 months. So now the case is end of each month. End of each month means 5 plus 0 by 2. 5 plus 0 by 2 means it will come 2.5. So longest 5, shortest 1 divided by 2, it will come 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. Next step, what you need to do? Apply the values. Total drawing, this time it is 18,000. Right here 18,000. And here, what is the average period? Average period is 2.5. Average period is 2.5 into 8 by 100 into 1 by 12. Do it in your calculator. What is the answer you will get? Right here, that is interest on drawing of Y. Interest on drawing of Y. This is which case? Sorry, this is B. In the question they have asked for X as A, now B for Y. Next one, what they will ask? See, what they ask? Z withdraws 2000 at the middle of each month. Now, partner name changed. What is the name? Z. This and all you need to note down in your notebook. I am not doing completely. I was doing half. The rest half you need to complete and write in your notebook. Okay. So calculation each time for writing each partner's calculation of interest on drawing means each time you need to write the formula, then you need to write the second formula and then you need to apply the value. Don't write this part directly in your notebook. Each time, first step, write the formula, next amount of drawing, next average period calculation, next you should come for this. Don't skip the steps, okay? You need to write in that way only. So now Z, total drawing, amount of, first you need to find out total drawing. Total drawing means amount of drawing into 6. Amount of drawing for Z is now how much? 2000. It is not 3000 now, for him it is 2000. How much it will come? 12,000. It will come 12,000. So 12,000 means longest outstanding month plus shortest outstanding month. Check in the table. This is for half year now. So check in the table how much it is coming. End of each month. Sorry, this is Z, no? Yeah. Now last case, Z, middle of each month. Then it will come 5.5 plus 0.5 divided by 2. So it will come 5.5 by 2 plus 0.5. It will come 6 by 2. That means it is 3. So here you need to consider it as 3. Now, after considering this, apply the values. Total drawing 12,000 into average period 3.0 into 8 by 100 into 1 by 12. Right? Calculate in your calculator and write the answer. So this is regarding average period method or shortcut method. In your question bank you are having problem related to this. I told you to do it in product method. Some they have done and showed me, and still many more are not sent their answers for me. Some I corrected and I told them, and some it is still pending. I'll tell you that only few students are doing the problem. Rest of them, I think they have not yet started at all. I need this because I was noting down in a book who and all are doing the problem and who and all are not doing the problem. Later, when the regular classes will start, at that time I'll give you test regarding this. Okay. So this also note down in your notebook, and in the question bank they have given. Last time I told you to do it in product method. No, that problem, that is I think after fourth it is given. The first three is under product method, that you can't do it in average method. Why? Because the amount of drawing is different and it was withdrawn at a different interval, so you can't do that. When they have given the problem like this, same amount for same interval, same period, means then only you can do this method. Last two problems I think it is there, so do it in this method. Okay. So after that I'll give some extra problems for you to do it for homework. Completely I'll give from profit and loss appropriation to till here average period method. Okay.